Ever wonder how creators like this make money on Instagram? Hey, I'm Hayden from Memberspace, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how Instagram creators are turning followers into paying customers, the strategies that work best in 2025, and how you can do the same. But here's the thing, you don't need hundreds of thousands of followers like Anne Craig. Smaller creators often have more engaged audiences, which actually makes it easier to monetize. So, regardless of how many followers you have, let's get into the best strategies, and then I'll show you how to move your followers off Instagram and turn them into paying customers. Here's the first thing to understand. Instagram is a rented space. Algorithms can change overnight, you don't own your followers, and Instagram's monetization features are limited and controlled by the platform. So while it's tempting to think Instagram alone is enough, the smartest creators use it as the front porch, the place where people first notice you while your real business happens inside on your website. There are a few built in ways to monetize right on the Instagram app, like sponsored posts and brand deals, affiliate links, subscriptions, badges, or gifts during live streams, and selling physical products through Instagram shops. These can all bring in extra income, but the trade off is you're still relying on Instagram's rules, fees, and algorithms. That's why the most sustainable strategy is to build your own funnel. Here's the model top creators are using. First, attract people with your Instagram content. Then, move them to your website using a link in your bio, stories, or freebies. And finally, convert them into paying customers by selling access to your own digital products. Once you have that system in place, your monetization options open up in a big way. Some of the most profitable options include online courses, video libraries, paid newsletters, coaching or consulting packages, membership communities, and digital downloads like templates. The point is, your website becomes a place where your biggest fans and your most loyal followers can support you in exchange for real value, beyond just liking and commenting on your Instagram posts. Now, this is the part a lot of creators miss. Building attention on Instagram is great, but without a way to turn your followers into customers, you're leaving money on the table. With Memberspace, you can sell members only access to a beautiful library of digital content by adding a content hub to your website. That hub can include anything from courses to downloads, communities, newsletters, whatever fits your brand, all behind a paywall. And if you don't already have a website, we'll create one for you. So, Instagram builds your audience, but your content hub turns that audience into revenue. So, to recap, Instagram alone is risky because you don't actually own that audience. The built in monetization features are nice, but they shouldn't be your whole strategy. The real key is to build a funnel. Use Instagram to attract people, bring them to your website, and then turn them into paying customers. And when you're ready, you can create a content hub with Memberspace to sell your products on your own terms. And if you're curious about how smaller creators in particular are making this work, check out my other video on monetizing smaller audiences. I'll link it right here and in the description. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.